India is making history this year with 5 extraordinary infrastructure projects nearing completion. These groundbreaking initiatives redefine connectivity, efficiency, and innovation, putting India on the global map of engineering excellence. Let's dive into these mega marvels. Indian Railways has achieved a historic milestone by conducting a trial run of an electric engine on the Anji Khad Bridge, India's first cable-stayed rail bridge located in Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi district. This engineering marvel, part of the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla railway link project, is designed to provide seamless rail connectivity to the Kashmir Valley. The bridge stands at a towering height of 331 meters above the riverbed and stretches 473.25 meters in length. Its construction involved 48 lateral and central span cables, making it a structural wonder. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav described the trial as a significant step, saying the first electric engine successfully crossed Tunnel Number 1 and the Anji Khad Bridge. The route is expected to be fully operational by January 2025, marking a game changer for connectivity in the region. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to inaugurate the rail service with the Vande Bharat train connecting Kashmir to New Delhi. Mumbai's aviation congestion finds relief with the upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport. Managed by Adani Airports, Phase 1 will handle 20 million passengers annually by the end of 2025, according to reports. Built with a budget of 17,000 crore rupees, the airport will ultimately accommodate 60 million passengers and 800,000 tons of cargo annually. This greenfield project promises smoother, faster air travel while addressing capacity constraints in the Mumbai metropolitan region. The much-anticipated Navi Mumbai International Airport is gearing up to commence operations by early this year, with its inauguration expected on April 17, 2025, according to reports.
जो आने वाले मार्च में यहाँ से डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्ट शुरू हो जाएगा और आगे चल के मई में यहाँ से इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट प्रदेश की जो लैंड फ्लाई होने वाली है वो मई में होने वाली है। बहुत ही बड़ा एयरपोर्ट जहाँ 4 टर्मिनल है और सब टर्मिनल को इंटरनल कनेक्टिविटी है। कोई भी टर्मिनल से आप इंटर कर सकते हो, कोई भी टर्मिनल से आप बाहर जा सकते हो। एक बड़ा टर्मिनल यहाँ बनने जा रहा है। साथ ही साथ कोस्टल रोड है, उसके साथ में अटल सेतु है, बुलेट ट्रेन का भी यहाँ कुछ दिनों के बाद यहाँ वो भी कनेक्ट होने वाली है।
Another aviation marvel is the Noida International Airport in Jewar, set to open in 2025. Managed by Zurich Airport International AG, Phase 1 will serve 12 million passengers annually, scaling to 70 million by Phase 4. The Noida International Airport, also known as Jewar Airport, is scheduled to open on April 17, 2025, according to reports. The airport's opening was originally planned for September 2024 but was delayed due to delays in the delivery of construction materials and equipment. With 2 terminals, 2 runways, and world-class cargo facilities, this 5,700 rupee crore project blends Swiss efficiency with Indian hospitality. On completion, it will claim the title of Asia's largest airport, solidifying India's position in global aviation.
So the design that we've selected for the passenger terminal will incorporate heavily the rich architectural heritage of the region. So we'll be using materials that are from the region. We'll be using design elements that are prevalent in North India, in Western UP. To give you a few examples, our security hold area, the passenger area, will contain a courtyard. which is a little bit inspired by Haveli, by structures that are available here. The forecourts will contain steps that are again inspired by some of the ghats we see at cities across the region.
The Delhi-Dehradun Expressway is a dream come true for travelers. Reducing travel time from 6 hours to just 2.5, this 210-kilometer corridor starts at Akshardham Metro Station and winds through key locations in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. With a design speed of 100 kilometers per hour, the expressway is set to boost tourism and economic growth in the region. Expected completion is by the first quarter of 2025.
देहरादून से दिल्ली का एलिवेटेड रोड का काम अंतिम चरण पर है और इसकी फिनिशिंग का काम चल रहा है। कुछ स्थानों पर अंतिम चरण में काम है और जैसे ही ये पूरा होगा तो ये बहुत सुविधाजनक हो जाएगा। देहरादून से दिल्ली का जो सफ़र है वो मात्र 2.5 घंटे, अधिकतम 3 घंटे में जो है पूरा किया जा सकेगा और लोगों का आना जाना बड़ा सगम होगा, सरल होगा। ये एलिवेटेड रोड, इसमें बिजली के काम, अन्य काम अभी चल रहे हैं।
This ambitious sea link transforms commuting for Mumbai's residents. Stretching over 10 kilometers, it connects Marine Drive to Worli, reducing congestion and cutting travel time. Equipped with tunnels and advanced safety features, it symbolizes sustainable urban development. It was on November 27, 2024 that the BMC had completed the launch of the final girders of the Bowstring Bridge. The opening of the bridge for southbound traffic will make the entire bridge operational. Currently, the Bowstring Arch Bridge connecting the coastal road to the Bandra-Worli Sea Link is partially open, allowing northbound traffic to use the southbound lane. Opened in September 2024, this route enables traffic from Nariman Point in South Mumbai to directly access the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. Officials from the BMC highlight that this is India's longest arch bridge built over an open sea. Speaking to the Indian Express, senior officials said 2 more interchanges are likely to be commissioned by May 2025. For the record, the arterial road's first phase has a total of 8 interchanges. An official said to the Indian Express, and I quote, "Of the 8, the 6th and the 7th interchanges are yet to be commissioned. These are likely to become functional by May 2025. While the 6th interchange connects Haji Ali to Marine Drive, the 7th connects Worli to Lotus Jetty Junction." End quote. These 5 projects are more than infrastructure. They represent India's ambition, innovation, and progress. From breathtaking bridges to world-class airports, 2025 is the year of transformation. Which of these projects excites you the most? Let us know.